Have you ever wondered about the magic behind a product that makes you want to click that Add to Cart button? Well, it's not just about the product itself, but also how it's presented to you. The secret lies in the product description. Today, we're going to delve into the world of compelling product descriptions, which are essential for any e-commerce business. The product description is the heart and soul of any item you sell online. It's the bridge that connects your product to your potential customer, enabling them to understand its value and how it can solve their problem or meet their needs. So how can you create compelling product descriptions that not only inform but also persuade and convert? First, know your audience. Understanding who your customer is crucial. What are their needs, their wants, their language? Tailoring your product description to match your audience's needs and language is the first step in creating compelling content. Second, focus on the benefits, not just the features. Yes, your product might have the latest technology or the most unique design, but how does that benefit the customer? Always explain how each feature will enhance the customer's life or solve their problem. This way, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a solution. Third, use sensory and emotional words. Online shopping lacks the physical experience of touching, smelling, or trying a product, so your words must paint a vivid picture that appeals to the senses and emotions. Use descriptive and evocative language that can create a mental image or evoke a feeling. Fourth, keep it simple and scannable. With the surge of information online, attention spans are shorter than ever. Use bullet points, short sentences, and clear subheadings. Make your product description easy to read and digest. Fifth, don't forget to include social proof. Reviews, ratings, or testimonials can significantly influence a buyer's decision. They provide reassurance that others have tried and loved your product. Lastly, always include a clear and compelling call to action. Don't leave your potential customers hanging. Direct them on what to do next. Whether it's add to cart, buy now, or sign up for more, make it clear, visible, and enticing. To recap, creating compelling product descriptions involves knowing your audience, focusing on the benefits, using sensory and emotional words, keeping it simple and scannable, including social proof, and ending with a clear call to action. Remember, the goal of your product description is not just to describe your product, but to sell it. It's about connecting with your potential customers on a deeper level, showing them how your product can add value to their lives. So, the next time you're crafting a product description, keep these techniques in mind and watch your e-commerce business flourish.